Hey, Days. Sorry about yesterday. What? What are you being a bitch about?
Yeah, I'm a bitch and you're an angel. That should be stamped on our birth certificates.
I said I'm sorry.
Well, you knew that I was supposed to meet with Charlie's parents tonight.
Yeah, you're right. But I take shifts for you all the time.
Well, what do you and Tim do anyway? That's what I would like to know.
Well, you would think that it sounds stupid, so.
Well, that is really pathetic. Daddy buffing the babysitter? That's an old story. Well, the problem is that Tim is a 30-year-old guy. It happens all the time.
Well, it works days for us. So your opinion, I guess, doesn't matter.